Are you like me and you have watched too many YouTube videos of people claiming to teach you how to make money online? But let's be honest, most of them are junk, clickbait, a complete waste of time, and just people trying to push their content for views and leaving you with no added value at all. That is why in today's video, I am going to share with you this platform that is on another level that I have discovered way before and made money through it. Hey there, money makers. My name is Brenda and welcome to Journey with Brenda, where we talk about all things making money online, from passive income, legit remote work jobs, and all things financial freedom. So if this is the kind of stuff that you'd like to learn, join me on this journey and let's win together. Without wasting your time, let's get into today's video. I am going to show you a platform called Telus International, which is now called Telus Digital. They have recently changed to Telus Digital. So let's get into it. So, all right, guys, before we get into the platform, let me just quickly give you a quick rundown or explanation of what AI training jobs actually are. Okay, so AI technologies are absolutely on the rise, as we all know. And I personally, at least, have an impression that jobs that are related more or less to artificial intelligence, including AI training jobs, are everywhere on the internet, on job sites, on freelance marketplaces, on online platforms, etc., etc. You will find AI training jobs on a lot of platforms on the internet. So what's Telus International all about? It's a global company that offers flexible remote opportunities for people just like you and I. Just to make this quick, Telus International or Telus Digital provides the so-called AI data solution services to clients such as companies and brands that are out there. To put this into simple words, they collect and label data for various training purposes, and that data gets collected by human workers and labeled to provide AI solutions on the market. For example, they focus on things like AI data training, content moderation, voice recognition software, AI chatbots and the tools, etc., so that they provide a valuable data and information so that these AI solutions may work properly and flawlessly. So as you know, artificial intelligence needs data to work. Therefore, someone needs to collect these masses of data out there and label them correctly. For instance, through video, image or text annotation tasks, or through audio recording and audio labeling tasks, just to name a few possibilities here in this platform. So this is where services like Telus International or Telus Digital and you and I as data labelers or data collectors come in. And what makes Telus International or Telus Digital stand out is the variety and flexibility of roles that they offer, which we will look into very soon. In Telus Digital, it hires remote workers to complete tasks like evaluating search engine results. If you have ever heard of a search engine evaluator, yeah, that can be you. They also rate social media ads. They also review content to help improve AI systems. And the best part, many of these roles do not require any degree or tons of experience, just some basic skills like communication and also a good internet connection. And this is the key, the willingness to learn. You need to be willing to learn. You need to be willing to put in the work. So I'm just going to break down why this platform isn't just another random gig site. Number one, it's legit and it is established. Telus Digital is part of a larger, well-known organization. They are trusted globally, so you know you are working for a credible company. And number two, they have competitive pay. You will not be doing hours of work for pennies like other platforms. Their rates are fair, and many workers they have reported that earning steady income from this platform. And especially myself, I have really made a fair amount of money for just doing simple tasks. And number three, they are flexible. You can work from anywhere, anytime. Perfect if you are balancing other commitments or just want to the freedom to set your schedule. Maybe you've got your 9 to 5 and you need to work around working for a remote job and your own job. So this company is super flexible. And number four, no upfront costs. Unlike any of those schedule platforms that make you pay before you do any work, before you start, Telus International has no startup fees. You are here to make money, not to lose it. So now let's get into how you jump into these opportunities, how you start with Telus Digital. You just simply visit their career page. Just Google Telus International AI jobs. Just go, you know what? Just Google Telus Digital AI jobs and it will directly take you to their remote opportunities. Or if you just go and Google Telus Digital, click on their platform, maybe if you want to read through, because I advise you need to read through the platform and check and see and read what what is their work ethics or any information that you would like to know. Just go ahead and read through, and then you just scroll down below the page and go and click where it says careers, and then you see three dots to your left. Go there and click there and choose where it says AI community. There you will see a list of jobs that are available. You can filter them by location, by your language, the keywords, whichever job that you're looking for. Maybe you want to be a media analyst, or in whichever language that you want, you just filter them by that and you'll find jobs. Okay, so let me give you an example. I am in South Africa and they have jobs for South African Zulu and African speaking people for audio data collectors, and they also have an English media search analyst. So by the time I'm recording this video, they have these jobs, and not sure if they will still be there, because these jobs they move quick, they fill up quick. So just go ahead and search whichever job that you want. Pick something that aligns with your skills and your interests. If you're good at spotting patterns, or maybe organizing images, or analyzing it, whichever that you want, pick that and you are up ahead of the game. And let's get to the application process. You find your job, you clicked on it, the application is straightforward. You get all the information of the requirements of the job, the description of the job, what you will need. Maybe you will need to have to be on desktop, maybe you need a microphone, or maybe some other jobs that I've seen you need to have a certain device, like maybe an iPhone or an Android with a later version, or whatever. Just go ahead, you find all the description and the requirements of the job, and then just go ahead and hit apply and you are good to go. So for some roles, they may require you to pass a simple test to make sure that you are a good fit. So don't get discouraged, just apply and you are good to roll, guys. So that's it from me. If you have been searching for a real way to earn money online without the clickbait, without the scams, Telus Digital might be the perfect fit for you, might be something that you're looking for. Give it a try, and who knows, you might be the next person sharing your success story. So I will share a screenshot of my earning one of the earning that I made with Telus Digital, if I can be able to find the screenshot, because by the time I never thought of screenshotting or recording anything of my earnings. But I will assure you, this platform is the real deal. If you're really looking for a legit side hustle, something that is credible, something that you know that you're doing, and it will pay you. So one thing that you need to note, that's something that I just need to throw in there, is that I noticed that they take a bit longer to pay. Maybe I don't know the reason why, but they take a bit longer. I think I was paid maybe after a month or so. They take a bit longer because these are real these are real jobs. This is real work that you do. So they maybe obviously need time to assess everything and make sure that everything is perfect. I don't know. But anyways, this is legit. So if you use this platform and some other platforms that also pay you for AI training jobs, that I will be sharing with you in the future, just future videos, then I assure you, you will make money online. You will make good money online. It might not be much. It might not be something that you can live on, but it is sure to just fill in your gas, to just buy your lunch, to just go out to buy a piece of item that you're wanting, to buy you some new shoes and stuff. Yeah, it is money that you can use to do quite a lot of stuff. Obviously, you don't need to leave your 9 to 5, but as long as you are doing this stuff, you are sure that you are having a side job, side money. Whatever, guys. So, yes, don't mind me. Don't mind me. Thank you so much for sticking around. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friend, share it with whoever you know or whoever you think is gonna find value in it. And also, please do subscribe. Hit the subscribe button so that I can also get motivated to share with you more side hustles and tips of making money online. And let me know in the comments down below if you have ever tried Telus Digital. Let me know, and what was your experience. Share with others, and I would really love to hear from you guys. Until the next video, until the next time, take care, and please do keep hustling. Do keep hustling, and don't forget to pray.